Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Welcome to 69 Cliffside Drive on beautiful Canandaigua Lake.
This is a spectacular designer showcase condo in Bristol Harbor with great amenities.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa. Let's take a tour.
This is one-floor lake living at its best, featuring a wall of windows fireplace great room with a dining area, all open to an updated kitchen with beautiful cabinetry and a custom live edge quartz countertop with a breakfast bar. All this opens to the ultimate in entertainment-sized balcony with a seating area. And those million-dollar views, or should I say billion-dollar views. This special one-floor unit has two very spacious ensuite bedrooms, each with its own updated bathroom. You could have it all at Bristol Harbor. You have one of the best lake views to the north, east, south. They are just spectacular.
Enjoy the lake lifestyle. Bristol Harbor Village offers a clubhouse featuring living and gathering space with adjacent tennis courts. Elevators provide easy access to the private sand beach. Even dock your boat at the harbor. Situated on the west side of Canandaigua Lake, Bristol Harbor is minutes away from the city of Canandaigua.
Canandaigua is a great place to live.
There's always something fun to do, whether it's enjoying the many restaurants and shops, a concert at CMAC, or a stroll through Kershaw Park. Water activities are a blast on Canandaigua Lake.
In all seasons, this area has a lot to offer. Here we are at Bristol Mountain, a great place to ski, just minutes away from Canandaigua Lake. At the end of the day, life is sweet on Canandaigua Lake.
Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 69 Cliffside Drive on gorgeous Canandaigua Lake.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Cheers to living here!